Reevaluate and edit your course offerings standards coverage as your course evolves. This tutorial shows how to edit course standards coverage. To begin, from Lessons, select a unit or course material. Click the Options menu and select View Standards. Click the Materials tab, then click Edit Standards Alignment to get started, and select the standards that align to your course material. When you are ready, click Save Changes. Then, click Close. The standards are now aligned with your course material. Reevaluate and edit your course offerings standards coverage as your course evolves.